Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix card not added. Contact your card issuer for more information. So guys, if you are trying to add card to your Apple Pay but you are facing this pop-up and you are unable to add your card, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically from here as well. After this, go back and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region according to your debit or credit card. So guys, select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer restore iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and go to your profile, and from here sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again to your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and go to screen time and then go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here as well. So guys, do this, and now you have to simply go to your wallet and then you will be able to add your card very easily without any interruptions. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed, and if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact your card issuer or the Apple support team for the further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.